Alright everybody, welcome back to some more Cobblemon adventures. It is I, Xilestar, and today... Oh boy. So, I actually finished all of the keys that I had in my inventory. I think I had like 10 or something like that left over. So now we only have 31 keys. Yay! So I also got a bunch of diamonds as well from that too. And I've learned a lot of cool and interesting strategies as well with the team. Or at least like what they kind of need, kind of thing, in order for them to do better. The only other thing that I've also did as well is that I reorganized this. Well, not really the TMs necessarily, but the TRs I did. So you probably might notice though that there's a lot less TRs. I got rid of all the moves that I don't really need. Like I got rid of like if they were what was the move called? Like I had two for Horn Drill, and I'm like, that's never going to be used. So I immediately got rid of it and all of that. I think last time we were going to go and make the thing specifically for to resurrect fossils. I think I have that set aside somewhere. Is it? Ah, it's in here. Okay, so I have all the stuff in here. So this is all of the stuff we need to go and end up making all of the fossil stuff. So let's go take all of this stuff. And let's go and make it. I don't even know if I actually have the thing here. So we have the fossil analyzer. It's one. And then it's the, there's a tank, I think, right? It's like a tank or something like that. If I can spell. Yeah, there's the restoration tank. What? Oh, it's because it moved them into my, moved into the crafting thing. There we go. And it's the fossil analyzer, that, and then it's like a computer thing or whatever. Can I just search for Cobblemon stuff? No? Is it not that? Is it at? Is the at sign? It's the at sign, okay. So it's not the display case. It's not the restoration tank, it's not that. It's like a monitor or something like that. Peach block? Alright. I just don't know what it's what the block's name is, but I definitely know I have it. So many TMs and TRs. Okay, so so it's got to be here somewhere then. Maybe it's like that, maybe. Oh, there you go. Data monitor. That actually does sound like what it is. Okay, so I don't remember how to build it though. Like the machine. I've seen some Cobblemon playthroughs where people have actually done it, but I myself have never done it. So it's like I don't know what to do with it. So I think I was thinking of building it here, but I think over here makes more sense. I think I'm going to move that, though. I'm going to move this one to be... Actually, you know what? I'm going to move this one to be over there. No, I don't want it like that. Is it like... No, it's not the position you're pointing at. It's like the opposite. There you go. That makes more sense. Okay, so let's see here. So I think it's like... Okay. So I think it's like... The fossil analyzer's on the bottom. This is on the top. And this is right next to it. I think that's how that works. I think this is how it is. I might be wrong on this. To be fair, let's see if I can find that out. Let's see here. Resurrection machine, is that what it's called? Okay, so I did do it. Nice. Okay. Okay, yeah, so I did do it right. Okay. So we need to new DNA. And I need my Xilestar or whatever that we picked up. Is it in here? No. Didn't we pick one up, though? I feel like we did, but I'm not 100% sure, though. Oh, man, I don't know if did I pick one up on camera or not? Oh, it's like, it's so difficult because I'm trying to remember if I did or not. I mean, if it's in one of these chests, then yes, I did pick one up. But if it's not, like, if it's not in here and it's not there, I feel like I did, but I'm not 100% sure. Like, I'm trying to see, like, if there's anything in here or something like that that I stashed in here. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just, like, store it somewhere. I'll store it in here for now. And then for these three, and then for these three shulkers kind of thing, actually, I'll keep them here for now. I'll figure out something else for those. Oh, I'm trying to think. Maybe there's a better spot for that. Like, maybe I just have it here. Or something like that. I guess I could put it here too, yeah. Like right here. It's like a good spot. I don't need a silk touch for this. Nope. Okay, good. If I did, I would have just spawned it in. I'm not gonna bother with just, like, waiting around for that. Actually, wait. What about upstairs? I mean, I could put it here, too. Yeah, I could put it here, too. You know what? Yeah, this looks good. There you go. That looks like a good spot for it, actually. Oh my god, that looks actually really good. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of just wish that this was a little bit better looking, but it's fine. Anyway, let us go back to where we were. We were over here. Yeah. All right. All right, Aerodactyl. Remove that because we don't need it anymore. So I've been actually, like, trying to look at, like, different Cobblemon mods as well, like, and even just, like, trying to figure out, like, what I can do to expand it to, like, make not our server, but, like, just our, like, overall everything, like, a slightly better than usual. And like, each and every time I try to look for something that just, like, it might be something that's, like, just as good or even, like, expand upon it. By that I mean, like, having, like, more gym battles or having, like, more NPCs or just more structures that we can explore and maneuver around with, and just being able to, you know, just overall just have fun. kind of thing. Like that's kind of like what I'm trying to do is trying to improve the next version kind of thing. Whenever Minecraft decides to actually release 1.22, because obviously the first one that'll be getting the upgrade will be the main vanilla, well, semi-vanilla Minecraft experience. And then once Pixelmon / Cobblemon also update, those ones will also be updated to have the new stuff as well. Because I've changed my dimension data pack so much that it requires a lot of the new stuff for it to function. And unfortunately, for me kind of thing, I actually need those new functions for my data pack to work. So, yeah. I'll take the smoker. Nice. Isn't there like a platform down here? No. Doesn't look like it. Alright. Okay. It does look like I can just use my brush here. Okay. There we go. I also found out that I can actually, like, spawn in suspicious gravel and stuff like that within a specific loot table, so I'm gonna do that for Sanctuaria. Have like an area that's like maybe once a day. You can change like a small area to have like suspicious gravel. Or suspicious sand kind of thing. At a different stage kind of thing. And then what we're going to be doing is I gotta actually test to see if it actually does work. But I did do a little bit of research on if my idea would actually work. And from what I found out, it will. Like, it will work. And it'll be fine. The only thing is that, like, if we have a set seed for the Minecraft world, it'll constantly reset the seed. Like, it'll constantly set the seed to be that kind of thing. So you're not going to get a new overworld. But obviously, for our series, that's not a problem. That's, like, literally not a problem. Because Because I think the only one that's going to be affected will be the main Minecraft series. Because that one, I want the next one to be a seed that I used to play during when it was the beta. I want to see what it would spawn as in the modern day. Because obviously that seed was created in beta 1.2. So I want to see what it looks like in Minecraft version 1.22, right? So it's like I want to see how it changes kind of thing. And then maybe, just maybe, it will keep some of the landmarks similar. So it's like I can go back and say, hey, yeah, I remember this area. This used to be where I started my first base kind of thing. Yeah, it's going to be that seed. So I want to see how that works. And so pretty much what's going to happen is that we're still in sort of like the planning process for that. So it's not set in stone as of yet. But the idea is this. So when we're going around doing whatever with Pixelmon, Cobblemon, whatever it is, doesn't matter, kind of thing, what's going to happen is, like, if the world has exceeded past like a certain threshold kind of thing, there will be a warning. Well, not really a warning. There will be sort of like a thing to indicate that, hey, by the way, the world has exceeded past like like not a required amount, but like exceeded an amount that would be good for the server to stay like in good faith kind of thing in its current state. So what we're going to do is we're going to start shrinking it. So by that I mean like you're going to have like a week to go to your custom dimension, because that's pretty much the only ones that are going to stay there. And you're going to have to either like go there or not. The thing that I don't know, so I might just go with the safest option, in my opinion. I think the safest option would be the better case for me, kind of thing, would be don't go to your custom go to your custom dimension kind of thing. Store all your stuff there. There will be a shared one that everybody has access to. So go to that one pretty much and store all your stuff there, kind of thing, or whatever you want to do, kind of thing. And if you want to stash your base there because you want to use structure blocks, go right ahead. That space will be safe, because it'll be the custom space kind of thing. It'll be the custom dimension that everybody can use. Everybody has access to it. Everybody has like the ownership permission kind of thing. Like you can build there. Like you're not restricted kind of thing. The only one that you are technically restricted of is if